Okay, 3 reasons for winter bird surveys before my head freezes. It's really cold out here. Number 1, look at this amazing landscape. You can take part in activities in such a brilliant place as this. We've got stubble fields, we've got wet areas, we've got ditches, lots of farmland. It's brilliant. Number 2, you can take part in some amazing national and international schemes, gathering information with people like Wildfowl and Wetland Trust about pink-footed geese and hooper swans and Buick swans. And number 3, you get a chance to experience the seasons and enjoy what happens during the winter. Even though it's cold, you can still have a fantastic time keeping in touch with what's happening in the countryside, and particularly this wonderful farmland. And here today, we're over on the West Lancashire coast.